Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're one of those people that are struggling with their schedule or keeping track of their tasks or appointments and you wish that there was someone who could remind you about this, then you have to watch this video. The solution is simple. Everybody has it. I'm sure you do too. Yes, I'm talking about this. Any kind of phone that you have. This can actually be your personal assistant. And it doesn't matter what kind of phone you have, whether it's iPhone, Android, every single one of them does have this functionality built in. For free. All you need to do is just say okay Google or hi Siri, and that's it. This will activate the feature that you want. After you activate the feature, you can tell it to do what you want it to do exactly, and it'll do it. For instance, if you're talking to someone, you're walking, you have this crazy idea that you want to write down, or someone just booked an appointment with you for a certain time, all you need to do is simply just go, hey Siri, remind me about this appointment tomorrow.
Okay, I added appointment to your reminders for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
You can go into so much detail about this. All you need to do is just actually tell it what to do. For instance, be like, hey Siri, book an appointment for me for tomorrow at 9 a.m. and remind me about this an hour before that.
I scheduled your appointment for tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Let me know if you want to make any changes.
Or even if you're driving, you receive a message, all you need to do is just be like, hey Siri, read my messages.
Tech Jockey HD sent you a new message. Hi. Would you like to reply?
You can actually go into detail saying yes.
Would you like to reply with? You can actually go into detail, send yes?
And you can actually send it by saying yes.
Would you like to reply with? You can actually go into detail, send yes?
Yes.
Your reply says you can actually go into detail, send yes. Ready to send it?
Yes. And that's how
Okay,
you can actually
it's sent.
send the messages while driving as well. The same feature applies about your reminders, bill payments, appointments, or anything like that. If it doesn't actually work for you guys, let me know in the comment section so I can teach you guys how to set it up. I hope that you guys start using this feature as well. Trust me when I say this, if you guys start using this, it'll make your life very easy. Peace.